A couple of days ago, I did an article or video about logistics, about trucking, and how things have been very challenging for many entities that have been operating for some time now. And this situation is no different. This is actually 10 Roads. They actually move a lot of mail for several locations with the United States Postal Service. They are also a company or entity that has not necessarily filed for bankruptcy, but they have decided to not file for bankruptcy and slow their operations down. And roughly around the end of January, they are actually supposed to be going out of business. Not only that, 10 Roads also has several or have had several contracts. And with that being said, again, United States Postal Service is taking on entities and companies for the last mile with the post office. They're putting up bids around January, again, 2026, roughly around the end of that. I wanted to at least report that because, again, like I said, a lot of the logistics industry has been hurting dramatically, but with the logistics industry hurting so bad, roughly or bad, 10 Roads has also decided to shut down operations and have decided that they're, like I said, not going to file bankruptcy, but they will decide to end, I guess, the relationship with the United States Postal Service in several hubs and locations. And then I think around the end of January, they should be shutting down completely. This is Terrence Brunson at Go Ahead First. I definitely wanted to report that and give you all some feedback and some information on that. Again, I don't know who's going to replace 10 Roads. However, there are several of us that receive services indirectly. 10 Roads is an independent contractor. They take on a lot of owner-operators. And essentially, I don't know if they actually hire employees or not, but a lot of owner-operators that work for 10 Roads and get our parcels and mail moved. Again, leave some feedback, leave some comments, and I really appreciate all of the support. Like, share, subscribe, please follow, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.